Today I'm going to tell you about DAAD scholarship, DAAD. This is a very famous scholarship offered in Germany. It is fully funded and many people benefit from this scholarship. So if you want to know more about it, it's for both Masters and PhD. Listen into this video and get to know the details. Today I come to you with a very lucrative, again as usual I bring you lucrative scholarship opportunities, and this time round it's a master's and doctorate scholarship opportunity called DAAD. It has a German meaning, but in English it simply means German Academic Exchange Service. It is a fully funded scholarship for both doctorate and master's, and when I say fully funded I mean they pay for you everything, including the stipend. So if you're doing your master's, you'll get 861 euros as stipend. This is money to take care of yourself. But if you're doing doctorate, you will get 1,200 euros. They also pay for other things like the insurance, your health insurance, your travel expenses, family allowance. In some cases, if you're traveling with your family or relocating with your family, they also cover such expenses. So again, this is something that is very important, because if you don't have money to sustain yourself, but you want to pursue studies, you know that everything will be fully covered for you. So you will carry out your studies in Germany, and there are very many countries that are eligible to apply, mostly in the developing and industrialized countries. So I'll just run you through the countries that are eligible in a nutshell, but you can go through the link. I will provide the links at the end of this video. You can go through to find out exactly if your country is eligible. But many developing and developing and second world countries are currently covered. So as you can see, we have Congo, Gabon, Gambia, Ghana, Kenya, Haiti, all these countries. So there's a list, and I'll provide for you the links that you just go through it one by one. For the courses, we also have a number of courses, not every other course, but mostly development-oriented courses. So as you can see, I will provide the link again, but as you can see, these are some of those courses. Master's Program in International Development Economics, Sustainable Development Management, you have Photogrammetry and Geomatics, you have Urban Management. So I'm simply just rushing through, because I can't read each and every course for you. So they include the course, the institution you are going to, the language, if it's in English or in German, and then the degree, because they're offering for both masters and for doctorate, and then the duration, because these courses are different. Some of them will take 1 year, some 2 years, some even 3 years. So when you come to this website, you'll get all those details. So like I said, that the duration of the course depends on the course itself. Like there are some courses that are 2 years, others 1 year, others 3 years. So DAAD will cover for you the whole period of the course. For you to be able to be eligible for DAAD scholarships, you need to have a bachelor's degree. You finish your bachelor's degree already. Usually it's a 4 years course. And then you got above average. Above average, they mean at least the top third of your class. And then you must be working and have at least 2 years working experience. And also you prove that you are motivated to actually take part in a development-oriented initiative, either as a professional in future. Maybe you want to start a company, or in your job you want to do something that is development oriented. When you are going to do the application, there are certain attachments that are necessary, and I'll just go through them quickly. First of all, you'll fill in the DAAD application form, which you'll get in the link I will provide. And then you must have a CV. They provide a sample, so you need to make your CV according to that sample. And then a motivation letter, and both of these you sign at the end to actually prove that it's you who wrote it. And then certificate of employment. Like I said, you must have had at least 2 years work experience. So in your current job, they need to give you a certificate of employment from your employer. Then you also need to have a letter of recommendation, just to show that, okay, this person is working here and they're doing a great job, and all those things that go into a recommendation letter. and of course your academic degrees from your, if you've done different courses, just make a copy of all those and attach them, and then a copy of your transcript, which in most cases should be certified, and it's either certified by an advocate or like an embassy. They give you the details of where you can go for the certification of those transcripts. So like I said, the courses are in either German or English. So if you are going to do a course that is in German, they will offer you a 6-month German course for free once you get into Germany. And if your course is in English, most of the courses actually are in English, you need to provide a certificate. So onto the application procedure, which is the most important part. First of all, they provide for you the courses and the university that are offering. So when you go to the link that is showing you all these courses and you find your course, you will follow that link and you will apply to the course, to the university directly. Okay, so this is also a 2-step application process. The first thing you do, you apply to the course, and then the university will sit down and select several people. And then when they select these people, they will forward those names to DAAD. Now, DAAD will contact you to ask you to send the application documents that you used for the application. They will also ask you to send it to them. All right. So just make sure that you first make your application to the university and then you wait to hear from them. Otherwise, if you apply directly to DAAD, you will not stand a chance. They will not even look at your application. You can apply up to 3 courses, so definitely there's a greater chance there for you to get the scholarship. So once you send them your documents, that is the DAAD, they will finalize the selection procedure, and then they will contact you and give you all the details of how you can now embark on moving to Germany. So I'm going to share these links in the description box of this video, but I just want to briefly show you how everything looks quickly, and then we finalize this video. So when you get to the website, this is how it looks like. They're just telling you the meaning, finding scholarships, and there are these sections. There's the overview. It tells you everything about the scholarship, the application requirements, what I've already told you about, but definitely go into these tabs and get more nitty-gritty details about it, and the application procedure. So when you come to the application procedure, you will select your country. For example, if your country is Kenya or let's say Angola, and then you will select what course you are going to do. Is it graduate or is it doctorate? So in this case, if you say, for example, graduate, and then you say show application procedure, they will give you even more details specific to your country, because you know that some countries have different maybe certificates or just different education systems. So they will give you much more details regarding your country. So you just read through. It's just a confirmation of what I've been telling you, but now in details. And then they provide now links where you can be able to apply to the scholarship. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Definitely make sure that you apply, because these are opportunities available for us. We just need to go forward, apply, give it your best, and trust God Almighty that the opportunity will come through for you. So guys, did you find the video helpful? As usual, I'm here to bring you many more opportunities, but you can only hear about them if you subscribe and you put on the notification bell, because I'll be bringing you opportunities that you need to know about, to apply, try here and there. There are so many opportunities, but it's upon you to try them, to apply, and then to wait upon God to bless you with the opportunity. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.